Hi guys, this is my new car on Lazada guys. It's a good car. The lights haven't on. I didn't want it to turn on. I put water on it guys for its back for it to be smoke come out. Wait, I'll show you it guys. There it is. There, that is there's its smoke at the back. I don't know if you can really see it because it's really light. There's its smoke right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a really good car on Lazada, guys. It's a really good car on Lazada. Anyways, it's really loud. Like, look. Just take a sound of it. Oh, look how loud it is.
Okay.
It's really loud, guys.
Okay.
By the way, look like that. I'm familiar with this car, with like the Mercedes car, the Avatar Mercedes. It exactly looks the same one, but this one doesn't. It's back open, but not like the Mercedes one. It's back. The Mercedes one back isn't open like this. So that's all for today, guys. Bye.